Let's start on this side. Hand wash sink. Soap dispenser. Towel dispenser. First aid kit. Three-compartment sink with drain boards on each side. Hose compartment. Prep table. Sandwich prep refrigerator, with condiment section on top and refrigerated base. Double door reach-in refrigerator, with 42 cubic feet capacity. Emergency exit. Service window. Ice bin. £40 deep fryer with 2 baskets. Prep table. Utensils drawer. Steam table. Open top burners. Flat griddle. Vertical broiler. Hood. Exhaust system. Fire suppression system. Grease filters. Top shelving, also made of stainless steel. Plumbing access and chemical storage. Storage area under this rear prep area. Bottom storage under the prep area. Under the steam table, we place the trash can. And plenty of bottom storage under the cooking equipment. Roof ventilation. Lighting. Stainless steel finishing. Diamond plate aluminum floor. This is the cove to prevent that dirt goes underneath. Every unit we built must comply with the health department requirements for its approval. This is the kitchen equipment. Deep fryer. Service window. That's the fire suppression system. This is how a taco food trailer is made at Kareem carts. Once again, steam table, hot plates, 3 feet griddle. Vertical broiler. This is the main entrance. Hand wash sink. Ware washing sink. Prep table. Sandwich cold table. Reach-in refrigerator. This food trailer was made especially to cook and sell tacos al pastor. If you like this design, we can make one food trailer for you, or use a design of your own. We can make it as long as it is approved by the health department. Come and visit us, and start your own business to generate your own profits. We are located at 5850 Avalon Boulevard nearby Avalon and Slauson, South Central Los Angeles. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food trucks and food trailers information. Thank you very much for watching this video.